I have done over $10 million selling on Amazon, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a secret hack that's going to increase sales and increase your conversion rate. Let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it. Cut the fluff, cut the BS, and get into the meat and potatoes of why you clicked on this video. The one hack that's going to increase sales and increase your conversion rate. And no, we're not going to be talking about coupons or getting more 5-star reviews or improving your product images or improving your title and bullet points. Now, those do help and will help with conversions, but it's not what we're going to be talking about. And today I'm going to reveal to you my secret strategy that I've been gatekeeping for the last year. My students have been using it, implementing it, and it works amazing. And you need to take advantage of it as well. Now, all I ask in return is for you to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It means the world to me. Your support allows me to make more videos just like this and give you all the resources and strategies to go and scale your FBA business. So let's come over here and jump into my screen and reveal to you the secret strategy that's honestly going to blow your mind. And most of you don't even know that you can do this. So right here, we're going to use this example that I am selling an iPhone charger. So we can say that Anchor is my product listing or Anchor is my competitor listing. So you can kind of look at it from both angles. So we come over here and we're going to click on this listing right here. And as you can see, it's doing really well. It's got great reviews. It's got optimized title, images. All that stuff is fantastic, and those are definitely important. And if you don't have that, then you do want to focus on that. But the strategy that I'm going to be talking about is not that. So if we come over here, you're going to see right here, it says 6 videos. You're going to click on this, and this is the secret sauce. Right here, you're going to see videos for this product. It says Anchor brand story. So this is from the brand. So this is from the actual seller. And then right down below, it says related videos for this product. And you're going to see this video right here of me. And you're probably wondering, Trevin, why are you leaving a video review on this product listing? Well, there's this thing called the Amazon Influencer Program. If you're not aware of it, well, I'm about to blow your guys' mind because this is the secret hack. This is the secret strategy. This is the secret sauce that I've been gatekeeping. And now you guys have access to it. So basically, Amazon has this program where people can join what's called the Amazon Influencer Program. You guys can Google it. I have a bunch of videos about it on the channel. But what it allows you to do is you sign up for the program, and then people make video reviews of products that are sold on Amazon. So whether you bought it on Amazon, a brand reached out to you, which this is where we're going to get into, or you just have it around the house, you can leave simple review videos of a product. You upload it to what's called your Amazon storefront, and then you tag the product listing. So this is from the Amazon influencer side, not the seller side. I don't want you to get confused. We've got seller and we've got influencer. They're two separate things. So the influencer makes this video, tags the product, and their video is going to show up in the product listing. As you can see, my video is right here being displayed on this product listing. And so as a customer, these are extremely valuable. And as a customer, people want to know certain things about your product. They want to see real people talking about it because a lot of times the images, the video that you made is just, it's too professional, or they're missing some detail that they're just looking for. And so they go and look at real reviews by real people. And so this is where they go. And so this is the hack that you're going to implement on your product listings, is you are going to go and get Amazon influencers to leave video reviews on your product listings. Now, there's a few strategies that you need to make sure to implement in order for this to be a success, but this is seriously going to be an absolute game changer, and it's going to give you instant credibility. It's going to increase your conversion, and it's also going to increase exposure. And what I mean by this is if we close off of this, and if we scroll down right here, there is what's called a bottom carousel. And this is where there are additional videos. So again, my video is displaying right here. And there are other videos of other people talking about other products, not just Anchor, or there's different variations, there's different types. And so now when an Amazon influencer reviews your product, their video can be displayed on other people's product listings. And it can also be displayed in multiple spots. So as customers are scrolling through, they have more opportunity to click on it, watch a video of your product, and they're more likely to convert. Guys, this is seriously the biggest golden nugget I can give you on this channel, period. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're literally leaving money on the table. So it's literally as simple as going and first, this is the first step. So make sure that you follow the first step. So if we come over here, the first step is to have a product video on your listing. If you don't have a product video on your listing, then no Amazon influencer can show on what's called top carousel, or in other words, show inside your product listing like we have here. So that's the first step, is get a product video. I don't care what you have to do, whether it's a simple slideshow video, you can hire somebody on Fiverr for $5, $10 to create this. You can create it yourself in Canva. You can create it with your phone. Just create a simple video and upload it and tag it to the listing. And you do this from your Seller Central account. Anybody can do this, whether you are brand registered or not. You're going to upload that video. So that's the first step. The second step is to find an Amazon influencer to collaborate with. And this is very easy and simple. So what you're going to do is, let's say this Anchor listing is my competitor. So let's say Anchor is not me, but I'm selling iPhone chargers. So what I do is I click on my competitor, I come over here to their video tab, and I come right here and I see the videos related for this product. And I say, okay, this person right here, HITX Reviews, I'm going to click on her storefront is what it's called. And this person is doing a lot of reviews, and I'm going to click on her Instagram or her YouTube, and I'm going to reach out to her directly and say, hey, are you interested in collaborating with my iPhone charger? I would love to send it to you in exchange for a video review on your storefront. It's literally that simple. And they're going to respond. And depending on the Amazon influencer, they're going to either charge you money for it. They may not be interested in it, but it's just one of those things where you just have to reach out. And you do have to send them the product to them for free. So you have to create what's called an Amazon MCF order, a multi-channel fulfillment order, send it to them. Once they get it, they will then do the review and upload it to their storefront. And then sometimes they will charge you a fee for the video. And then also, if you want the video itself, like they'll give you the copyright of that video, they'll charge you for that as well. So depending on the Amazon influencer, that might cost anywhere from $25 to $100, but it is going to be worth every single penny that you have ever spent, because what it allows you to do is, number one, increases credibility. Number two, increases exposure, because now you are on multiple places on your product listing, giving the customer more chances to click on your product and buy your product. And number three, you're able to take that product video and now repurpose it for social media. You can repurpose it for Amazon, for A+ content, for Amazon posts. This is extremely valuable. You can literally take that video, just take screenshots, put some infographics on it, and now you got some Amazon posts. So you can use this content that they created and quadruple dip and literally leverage it in 10 different ways. So I'm telling you guys, I'm seriously so passionate about this because it's a secret. It's just something that nobody's talking about. And the matter of fact, the reason that I know about this is because I'm an Amazon influencer myself, and the people that are leveraging this are the Chinese sellers. And I know this because Chinese sellers are reaching out to me literally on a daily basis, wanting me to review their products. And if they're doing it, I better do it too. So I'm telling you, this is going to probably start a trend. This video is going to start this domino effect of now more YouTubers, more course creators, more gurus are going to regurgitate the information that I just taught you. But I want you guys to take advantage of it because it is seriously that valuable and impactful on your Amazon FBA business. So again, leveraging Amazon influencers to get videos on your listings, and you're going to want to do like 5, 6, at least. Find 5 or 6 influencers and send them the product, and then get the video, repurpose it, get more exposure, increase that credibility, and you are seriously going to increase sales and increase that conversion rate like I mentioned. This is an Amazon FBA hack that is 100% TOS compliant. This is not manipulating terms of service. This flat out works, and you guys need to take advantage of it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever heard of this and if you are implementing it. And the cool and interesting thing is you might actually have Amazon influencer videos on your listing and you might not even know. So go check your listing, and if you have 1 or 2, which I do, and they just kind of naturally happen if you have a good product. But if you don't, add the video, get Amazon influencers, start reaching out to them. So again, it's super easy to find them. You can come over here. So we've got, his name is Adam Tech Talks. Again, I click on this, I reach out to him on Instagram and I say, hey, I've got this product, let's collaborate, and I'll send it to you. So that is how you go about getting Amazon influencers. And just a quick side note, if you guys are interested in becoming what's called an Amazon influencer, I can help you do that as well. So I'm a seller and I'm an Amazon influencer, and I'm making a ton of money doing both of them. And to be honest, selling is the long-term game. You're building an asset. You have something that's sellable in the future. It's more long-term and it's more scalable, but the Amazon influencer program is some of the easiest money you will ever make. So what I want to do real quick is break down how these individuals actually get paid and why they're willing to work with you. So what happens if we come back here and let's say I watch this video from Adam Talks Tech and then I buy the product. What happens is this influencer actually gets a small, tiny commission of the product sale price. And that commission does not come out of your pocket. And this is where a lot of US sellers are missing the boat, is they think that by getting Amazon influencers on their listings, they're losing and they're getting taken, like fees are getting taken out of their back pocket, but that's not true. The fee is coming out of the referral fee that you're paying Amazon regardless. So you are paying Amazon a flat 15% referral fee no matter what. And what's cool is Amazon uses that referral fee to pay out influencers just like this. So it's literally not doing anything different. All it's doing is helping you. So if you're not taking advantage of it, you need to take advantage of it. But then on the flip side, being an actual Amazon influencer, it's really cool because you don't have to drive any traffic. You don't have to have a social media following because all the videos that you're uploading are directly to Amazon, and you're leveraging Amazon's existing traffic. So when people click on my videos and buy the product, I get paid. And I'm making a lot of money doing this. And as a matter of fact, I made over 6 figures in the last year doing this side hustle. It's absolutely insane. It's one of the most profitable side hustles with literally no risk because you're not buying any inventory. So anyways, there's 2 sides to it. There's leveraging it as a seller, and then there's actually being an influencer. I can help you with both, and I want to marry the 2 together because there's that big of an opportunity. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. It's @TrevinPeterson. I'll put the links down below for some additional resources, but that is the golden nugget. That is the hack. I've been gatekeeping this for a long time, and I hope you guys thank me and are grateful for this because, I probably should have kept it to myself, but I want to give it to you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can tell, I'm very passionate about this because it just flat out works. And let me know in the comments down below, and we will see you in the next video.